Hello and welcome to Saturday to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on the second day of March 2026. And here's the trade taken in the room by myself and others in the room as well, live. So here we go. We look for our old friend, the strong candle indicator, as indicated by this, in this case, upside down triangle. It's red, telling me to go ahead and take this trade short off the body of the candle. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to let this push up a little bit first. Then we're going to jump on it and we're going to take it short. I look over here at the PVI. It's the force of the market slowly becoming less forceful, so less energy in the market. So I expect the next candle to be anywhere between 60 and 90 ticks in length. We'll use our medium ATM, which is 16s, 31s, and 61s. So we'll de-risk the trade at 16 and try to get our 30 and 61 runners. And here's how it all went down in the room today. So we'll go regular speed until we get picked up in the trade. And then we'll take it from there. All right, first thing I do is put my stop where it belongs. So it's going to come the last major failure point, which is there. And then we just sit and wait. Now that our targets have been put on the screen, we'll go ahead and speed it up. Obviously, it looks like we're in a little early. First target's out, second target's out. Now, if this does come back out, up and take me out here, we still have made money. So we're, what, 60 ticks ahead right now, counting fees. And we're looking to see if our 60 tick target just got taken out. Wow, that was quick. That trade took 2 minutes to complete and was worth 605 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 605 US dollars in 2 minutes, come and join us at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. The only place you'll find the unique indicators which indicate which candles are strong and which ones are not. So yeah, we're not going to see this one here. We're not going to take them into this brick wall without any room. But when I have plenty of room between the candle and the brick wall, we'll go ahead and take it. So there you go. Beautiful trade. Didn't take long to execute, and we are done. All right. So God bless you, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time.